Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can add a stylish looking sale section, which is basically a section which will show up a flash sale. So imagine you have a product where you have a lot of inventory and you want to clear up your inventory by giving away a huge discount because it's not being sold or something, or whatever reason you want to give on that product a huge sale. And you can do that with this section, which will look awesome. So let me show you how it's going to look. So that's how it is going to look, where you have this stylish product showing up, the product image, and you have this title where you have the timer to create more scarcity to your product. And here you have this coupon code where if someone click on copy code, it will be copied to the clipboard. And here you have the badge and this shop now button, which will take it to this product. Now it's a section which you can use on Horizon theme, which you can use on Dawn theme, and it's very customizable. It's very user friendly and it's mobile responsive as well. So that's how it looks in the mobile version, right? And the option which you have for the customization, we have it showing up here. So you can change the title here to whatever you want to add in. And you can change the description. You can change the image, add image to whatever you want to add. You have the option to change the layout direction as well. And you can also adjust the image size here on the left hand side. So if you increase it to 35%, 45%, so that's how you can change the size of the image. If we have this badge showing up, which says limited time, you can change the text to whatever you want. You can even disable that if you want to. Or you have the option of this countdown timer. You can add the timing of your own whenever you want to end the sale, right? And optionally, you can also disable that. Here is the coupon code, which will automatically be copied to the clipboard whenever someone click on copy code button, right? And here is the CTA, which is this shop now button. You can change the text of that button. You can enable or disable that button. And you can also change the product link. Here we have these colors to change the background color of this section, to change the chat text of this, and whatever changes you want to make on the colors, we have all of the options available here. So you might be thinking some of the options which are missing, and I am going to definitely add more options to this sections if you just give me 100 likes to this video and comment down whatever feature you want me to add to this section. I'm going to read all of the comments, respond all of the comments, and create an updated version. If you just give me 100 likes and the comments of whatever feature you want me to add in, I'll definitely add new features on the updated video. So make sure to hit like and comment on the video below, and do not forget to subscribe the channel if you want to see more free sections which I have created, which we have created as a team, because we also do Shopify customization, we also do WordPress development and a lot of other stuff. And we have been creating a lot of free sections just for you guys. And if you go to playlist, and here you can see I have this Shopify sliders. This playlist will give you a ton of different free sliders, which you can use completely for free. You don't need to pay for any app, right? And there are different type of sliders, before after sliders, and all of these different type of sliders which you can add on your Dawn theme or your Horizon theme. And I also have a separate playlist for the sections where I have multiple different type of sections, just like this: how to add animated page, how to add WhatsApp order button. All of these are different sections which I have created. How to show number of people viewing your product, how to add pricing plan table. I mean, there are a lot of different type of sections which I have created, which you can also watch once you subscribe to this channel. For this video, let's start adding this section to the fresh theme. And let me show you how we can add that. So I'm going to exit that theme, and this is our current theme, which is the Horizon theme, and we are using 1.0.4, and Shopify has once again released a new theme. So we are going to test it on a fresh theme. By the way, this is going to work completely fine on all of the Horizon themes. If you're using Horizon, Saver, Vessel, or whatever theme you're using, you can even use that on Dawn theme. Although I don't suggest using the Dawn theme anymore because that is no longer being updated by Shopify team. So if you are looking for new features, I suggest to go with these 5 themes which Shopify has released recently. So make sure to try that. Okay, now let's install the Horizon theme. And our Horizon theme is being installed. And while this is being installed, if you are new to Shopify and you want your store for just $1 a month, there's a link in the description. Sign up using that link and you will get your store for just $1 a month. Also, we have created an app for you, which is by the name of Big Bulk Discount Shopify. And that is our app, which will help you add the volume discount feature. And the free trial is available for this app. You can use this completely for free for 7 days. And the pricing after 7 days is just $1.99 a month. Less than a hot dog or less than even a candy, I guess, right? Yeah, so make sure to use that. Other than the volume discount, it also has this cool looking widget which you can add on the product page to display the volume discount. So make sure to try that out. Let's go back to the tutorial and we have our Horizon theme being added. Cool. Now let's publish that. Click on publish again. And now we are going to add some code. And in order to add some code, let's click on these 3 small dots and then click on edit code. And in here, scroll down and here we have this section folders. Click on this arrow sign and then click on add a new section. And then you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it flash sale because file name doesn't really matter here. So click on done. And after this file is being created, make sure to remove all of the current code and paste the code from this link here, which you will find in the YouTube video description. And after going to that link, click on this blue color copy code button and paste the code here. Once you paste the code, click on save. And that's it. You have the section installed on your theme, which you can use completely for free. And let me show you by going to customize theme. Here we have our theme customizer open. I'm going to click on add section. Going to add this flash sale promo section, which we have recently added. And there you go. You can see that we have the section added. Again, we can change all of the stuff by like changing the text, adding the image. Let's add this one. Here we go. The image is updated. Change to any product name, any product details, right? So whatever you want to do, make sure to try that out. Link in the description for this code. Completely free. No need to sign up for anything, newsletter or any community or anything like that. Completely free to use. Just click the link in the description and use it. And do not forget to like and comment. Until next video, have a great day.